Welcome to another i2R Tech Lighting Solutions tutorial video. The Moving Head Controller 2.0 can be set up under a few different modalities. Modalities are like functional behaviors, and each one of the 6 available light groups can be set up as one of these modalities in a mixed configuration fashion. The 3 modalities we speak of are sliders mode, pan and tilt mode, and follow spot mode. They were already introduced and described in the sliders mode tutorial video, so make sure to watch that one before you continue here. In this video, we explain how to calibrate the remote-controlled follow-spot system using 2 lights and the Moving Head Controller 2.0. This calibration process must be done for new setups or whenever a light is moved. And it is assumed that at this point, the right libraries were created and assigned to the corresponding light groups, as it was explained in the library management and the light parameters management tutorial videos. If the light parameters were incorrect, such as the Z height for the lights, this procedure would fail. Although there are no restrictions on where to place the lights, it is a good idea that the moving head assigned to light group 1 is in front of and to the left of the command center, and the moving head assigned to light group 2 is in front of and to the right of the command center. After the system has been powered, the calibration process goes as follows. Step 1. Reset all the settings by power cycling the controller and make sure that the dimmer slider is up before going to step 2. Step 2. Turn on the light 1 by tapping on the lower button light group 1 and put it in follow spot mode by tapping on the upper button for light group 1. Step 3. Using the joystick, move the spotlight 1 to somewhere in front of the command center where it is clearly visible. Step 4. Turn on the light 2 by tapping on the lower button for light group 2 and put it in follow spot mode by tapping on the upper button for light group 2. Step 5. We will use light 1 as a reference, so light 1 must be the active light. Tap on the lower button of light group 1 and verify that the button is blinking. Step 6. To calibrate light 2 relative to the active light 1, push on the lower button of light group 2 for 5 seconds. Then verify that the light 2 went into calibration mode. Step 7. Using the joystick, move the spotlight 2 until it overlaps spotlight 1. Step 8. Save the calibration by pushing on Enter for 3 seconds. To calibrate additional lights, repeat steps 1 through 8, replacing light 2 by light 3, 4, 5, or 6, depending on the light being calibrated. The calibration process must be done for 1 light at the time. That's it. After the lights have been calibrated, the system is ready to start follow spotting. It's that simple. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to watch the entire series to get a good grasp of all the potential and different possibilities for the Moving Head Controller 2.0.